Hey there, let's dive into Expo Snack. First things first, open your browser and search for Expo. If you haven't got an Expo account yet, no worries, create one real quick. Since I've got mine already, it's just me straight to my account without the need to log in. Sweet. Now, once you are in your account, check out the left panel and give a click on Snack. Hit the new snack button in the top right corner of the snack page. Inside your snack, spot the name of your creation in the top left corner. Feel free to spice things up by changing it to something cool like restaurant app. Right below, you'll find the Expo folder structure we talked about earlier in our episodes. Look at the middle of the screen. That's your playground, the code editor. We've got some code pre-written for you to start with. Now, the real excitement is on the right side. We have web, which means you get to run your code and see how it looks like on the web. We have Android. You get to see how your app looks like on an Android phone. We have iOS. You get to see how your app looks like on an iOS phone. And all you have to do is just click on this tap to play button. Hold on, we've got my device too. Scan that QR code with Expo Go on your phone. And voila, your app's on your phone. Exciting, right? A tiny downside. Sometimes a lot of people might be using these phones, and therefore you would have to join a queue before it gets to your turn. Patience is key. Once you've created your masterpiece, hit the download button to snag the folder structure. Use it offline or locally on your machine. So, between Expo Go on your phone, the Android emulator, and Expo Snacks, pick the one that floats your boat. Stay tuned for the next episode. We are diving into Git and GitHub. Catch you there.